Hi guys, welcome to Carful again. We're going to do a complete different video today. We are going to defog the windows and how to keep them clean for a longer time. So I will come back in a month to show if it stays cleaned. Stay tuned. We will do it in 3 stages. First of all, I will get a kettle of warm water and I will blow the steam against the window so you can see if the window is dirty and it will take some steam. That's the first stage. Then after that I will make 2 compartments. First of all I will clean the window and make 2 compartments. And in one compartment I will do some gel, some shaving gel, and in the other compartment I will leave it complete like it was. And in the third stage I will blow some steam to that stage, and we will see how it works, if it does. As you can see, the windows are already fogging up. I have hot water here with me. Close the window. We'll blow it to the window. And you can see it fogging up already, completely. That's the side window. You can see the front window fogging up also. The mirror a little bit. So we will going to do the test right now. Stay tuned, guys. So now it's important to clean the windows very thoroughly, because the condensed water will get its grip into the dirt that is on the window, and the more dirty the window is, the more fog you will have. So cleaning it thoroughly is very important, and that's what we are going to do now with this test window. Well, it's a bit difficult because I have to hold the camera here, but I'm going to do it with my left hand because I'm right-handed, you know. And that is that. Now cleaning it very thoroughly. Clean the leather also. I will open the door to clean it in the edges. You see? So it won't get any better than this. That's this stage. Now we are going to divide it in 2 parts in a moment. So I have here in my hand some shaving cream, and I already divided the window in two pieces by using some tape. Now I have some gel on the paper here, and I will bring it on the window. Try to put this away. Always with my left hand. Put it on the window. It's a bit excessive, and then I have to clean it and leave a film on the window. Take some new paper towel. As you see, this is going to take some more time, so I will come back to you in a moment. Then I have my two hands free. Well, here we have the moment of truth. As you see, I cleaned the window. I just hope I didn't clean it too well, that I didn't left any residue. Hey, it seems to work, man. I really didn't believe it, but look at that. Look at that. I just didn't believe it. Look here. I can keep blowing. It just doesn't fog up practically nothing. So you see the difference, and it really does work. It's a bit messy, but it works. So now I'm going to do the complete windows inside, clean them, and put the layer of shaving cream on it everywhere, and I will come back to you in a month and I will see how long it will last. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe, please like it. If you could share it, it would be even better. So, and I will see you in the next one.